Computer use agents are slow, not because they cannot reason, but because every step forces them to reread the whole computer state. A typical agent loop sends a screenshot, a DOM tree, an accessibility tree, OCR text, previous observations, and action history again and again. But most GUI changes are tiny. A user fills one field, a modal opens, a checkout total changes, a filter is applied. The whole screen did not change, but the agent still pays the cost of processing it like a brand new document. I built fast computer use to attack that bottleneck from first principles. The idea is simple. Treat GUI state like a temporal signal. Instead of sending the full state on every turn, store periodic keyframes and send compact deltas that describe what changed since the last keyframe. The compressed state includes new elements, removed elements, changed values, focused fields, available actions, short screen summaries, and compressed action history. The agent can reconstruct the current interface without rereading every pixel and every node at every step. The architecture has 4 layers. First, a GUI observation layer that represents screenshots, DOM-like structure, accessibility style nodes, text, URL, focus, and possible actions. Second, a compression layer that creates pixel deltas, semantic deltas, keyframes, and compact history. Third, an agent layer that compares full context prompts against compressed prompts. Fourth, an evaluation layer that measures success, tokens, latency, cost, model calls, errors, and recovery. The prototype runs a deterministic 40-task benchmark across form filling, search, file navigation, settings, checkout, email, dashboard filtering, and document editing. The key result: the hybrid keyframe plus semantic delta method reduced average input tokens from 6061.8 to 2877.2 per task. That is a 52.5% reduction, while preserving 90% task success against a full context baseline. For judges, the important thing is the framing. A screen is not a fresh document every time. It is a stream. If we send only what changed, computer use agents can become faster, cheaper, and more practical for real multi-step workflows. There are still hard problems: stale keyframes, missing visual detail, and imperfect semantic reconstruction. But this prototype shows a practical path toward faster browser and desktop agents.